this interior just pops out. And I need a pair of scissors. Of course they don't cut. Ta-da! Small, ain't it? It just fits right down in there. And that goes on there like that. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna probably put the hot glue gun on it. Nice looking brand new windshield. My blue US hot heap. Now, see how we can put these tires on. Little tool right here that you can also order from redlineshop.com. You just put it behind the bearing back there and push it in with your thumb, and you can also straighten it out. You know what? There's one restored hot heap. Oh, fuzzy. That could have went down a little further, but oh well. The 68 hot heap with brand new red lines. That needs to go down. What's up with that? Anyway, awesome. There's one hot heap. One hot heap. And of course I'm going to do that one. And this one. But I'm going to skip on over. I added the surfboards to my beach bomb. Now we're going to pop on some wheels. These are capped wheels instead of bearing wheels. These are different. It still goes on with the tool, but come on, see how they're just different, and these are like that, and they just snap on. Hear that? Ta-da! Original Beach Bomb has new parts. I got 2 more wheels to pop on. No, 1 more wheel. 1 more. beach bomb will be ready for another 50 years. Hopefully. Nice. Of course, this car, I meant, probably run you about 400 bucks. This car has been through some times, but a lot of paint is still there. The windshield has been destroyed. All the glass needs to be polished out. But that is the original Spectre Flame Green. Alright. Set him back there. What do I want to do next? Alright, I'm going to do this guy. Nah, let's do this one. Let's do this one because he's still intact. And them look hideous. Them wheels, them red lines look gnarly. But I got one of these. Come out of the bag. Really? And what are these? Flimsy? So that's how it goes. That's how it goes. And my other one, it said that these were, I think the other one's on backwards. Yep. This one goes like this. This one goes like this. Been no telling how many years these have been missing. I'm having problems with that hole. What's up with that? Don't go in the hole. I'm gonna break it. Get in there. There, it's on there. And I got 2 chaparrals. Pretty cool. Now let's put some tires on them. Not bad. Look at that. Brought him back to life. Ah! Chaparral. That one still got raunchy tires on it. We'll get him. I don't have any tires for him. Really? Wait a minute. I thought I did. Well, that ain't fair. I didn't buy enough. Dadgummit. there they are. Ta-da! 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 Awesome. With that tool, you can put new tires on all of your stuff. I didn't buy enough parts to restore my Sweet 16 hot heap. Well, I just need 4 more tires, but I went ahead and did the pink one since most of the paint is already there and it looks mint. I went ahead and put new tires on it so get a better look. Here we have it. You don't need the sound effect scratching. I wish I could find a replacement windshield for this beach bomb, but if I do that, I'd have to drill out the holes, drill out the rivets, and I really don't want to do that. I think there's a way to polish that out because it's faded. Like they lacquered it. Maybe they sprayed lacquer and it damaged the windshield, but yeah, somebody did something to this thing. But it's got surfboards, long lost surfboards for the beach bomb, and the long lost windshield, and new tires for everybody, long lost rear spoiler for the chaparral, and we're all happy. We're all happy. It would be nice to, yeah, I also need, let's see how that would look side by side. It would be nice to get some more Redline tires. Maybe I can erase my chaparrals. But yep, it's awesome. And that ends my Hot Wheels restoration from back in the day. See ya and don't wanna be ya. Happy treasure hunting, y'all.